Okay, guys, so right now for question number A, now how are we going to explain? So over here, they say that the lowest point of the circle is A, okay? So for the circle, what happened is that we need to know where our center is, right? So what is our center?
Center is 2,
Question 3 and 4.
Oh, question 3 and 4. Okay, wait. Okay. So for question number 3 and 4, first thing first is they say that this is the center and a radius of this, and then they ask you to express the equation. So this one is quite simple. All you need to do is follow my notes and then just put in the formula. That's it for A. Next, let's move on to B. So B, they say that points A and B lie on the circle. Okay? They lie on a circle such that the radius of the circle, okay, wait, let me just draw the circle first to visualize better. So this is my circle, and my circle always have the center. A and B lie on the circle. I do not know where, but the key thing tells me that AC, the radius AC, is parallel to the x-axis. And I know that the x-axis is left to right. So I know that AC, okay, this is C and this is A, is actually parallel to the x-axis, right? So it means that the moment they tell me it's parallel to the x-axis, I know for sure I know something already. What do I know?
Is the extreme right or left?
Correct. And what else I know?
The
what?
The y value is the same.
Yes, the y value is the same. So from this, I know that the y value is the same. Or we don't say y value, we say the y what?
Y coordinate.
Y coordinate.
So it's the y coordinate. All right. So what is the center? Do we know what's the center?
A2 and -1.
2 and -1. Do we know what's the radius?
5.
5, right? So if we know it's 2, -1, and we know that for sure the y coordinate is the same. So y coordinate means I know right now, I know what is the information.
Your A is 2 plus 5.
7, negative.
Because I know here's the same, right? Same. So these two is the same. And then how do I find the x then?
2 plus 5.
I need to plus 5. So my answer is
7, -1.
yes. But the thing is, they say there's 2 possible positions. So does it mean it's just only on the extreme right?
On the extreme left also.
Yes, there's also another extreme left. And I know that what is also the same. So this is probably maybe A1 and here maybe it's A2. So what else can I find?
The x coordinate.
We know that for sure what is the same again?
The
Y.
The y coordinate is the same. Then after that?
The x
is 2 minus 5.
5.
Yes, -5 because the radius is 5. So 2 minus 5, what does it give me?
-3, -1.
Yes, and that's how I get B. So I'm done with A, I'm done with B. Next up, C. They say that the x coordinate of A is negative. So if I know that the x coordinate of A is negative, means for sure I know which coordinate am I supposed to take.
-3.
The one the left.
I'm supposed to take this, so this is what I'm supposed to take. Now they say find the equation of AB. Okay. Now there has a very important information. What is the important information? So they say AB passes through the origin, right? So if AB passes through the origin and I have the coordinate of A, right? So I know that coordinate of A is -3, -1, and I pass through the origin of 0, 0. Do you think from here I can find the gradient of AB?
Yes.
Yes, so how do I find the gradient of AB?
Y over X.
Which is how much?
1 over -3.
-1 over -3, which is equal to
1 over 3.
1 over 3. And then it passed through origin means I know that the y-intercept is 0, isn't it?
0.
So therefore, I can say that the equation of AB will be
Y equals 1 over 3x.
okay. Now, this is the part that you are not sure. So how are we going to do part 2? Now, part 2, they want you to find the coordinate of B. Now, did they give me any information of coordinates of B? So the B, right, they tell me that line AB, and they say B lies on the circle, right? So maybe B, I don't know where is it, but B lies on the circle. Do I have the equation of the circle?
Yes.
Yes.
What's the equation of the circle?
X squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 20.
And do I have this equation?
Yes.
B is also lying on this equation, right? So I can just do simultaneous, or I sub this into this, and then I continue solving, and that is my B. Understand? Who's confused? So when you
Miss,
this, you will have 2x value. Yeah? And one of them is A, the other one is B. Yes, Shruti, you say something.
for C part 1, when you're finding the equation of AB, how come there's no C?
Because I just
Like,
went through. If you look at what I wrote in green, what did I say?
oh, y intercept equals 0?
How do I know y-intercept is 0?
Because the origins y
Origin.
coordinate is 0, 0.
Yes. So do you understand now? Shruti, hello?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now, guys, try to do this question and let me know whether can you get the answer for C part 2, and then we'll move on to number 4.